Hello everybody, this is 21 You said I was doing survival? No. Hello guys, this is Stormo Surviving in Pocket Edition, and I'm making a world. Survive. Oh. I'm just gonna put a random seed and put it in survival. What? There's nothing but. There's nothing but this. Soon I'm gonna build a house and craft some wood into this. Oh, I'm getting a spruce wood. This. Yep, I was right. This was spruce. I thought this was dark wood for a sec. But if it was dark wood, it would be tall. Okay, I guess I have enough. Okay, I'm gonna craft some weapons.
I got a snowman thread.
Okay. Who cares about that jerk, Tony? Just kidding. No. Add extra. So if I had enough. Okay. I should build it right here. 3, 4, 2, oops.
It's time to tell you what's coming on Christmas. Okay, so it really is a Christmas miracle. So, tomorrow Christmas, we're gonna meet new people. Those new people, you guys are ready? Wario, Waluigi, Peach, Donkey Kong, Bowser Jr., Mushroom, Roy, Larry,
Iggy? Not Larry, it's Iggy.
Iggy, also
Okay,
other people.
it's about to sound like
Tomorrow
that.
is gonna be a special episode.
Tony just
called
make
the
a video.
Christmas Carol.
I mean,
Super
Shadow.
Festivals, Christmas week number 3.
If you don't know who Shadow is,
Christmas week
he is just my
number
brother.
3.
I just call him Shadow because that's his code name.
I'm not gonna tell you what's the video all about.
That's his name in the
If
squad.
you like the video, please subscribe.
Okay.
Yes.
I want to be in the video.
Why you didn't tell
I'm just collecting some more wood so I can get some more wood to build my house.
I didn't make a video, I'm just telling people something. Sorry about that, that was just my list just
Okay. Cool.
So she always lets us make videos.
What? I can't believe I left it here. So guys, we're gonna make a new Plus Bros episode tomorrow, and it's gonna be a very special episode. It's gonna be a Christmas special.
I wasn't doing it.
Oops, wrong one.
With what? They're not playing.
Sorry for the loud noises because my little sister Abby is. Stop crying, Abby. You're ruining my video. You can join me. Hey, Abby, I'm making a video and you can join me. I'm recording my screen, Abby. Okay. All that stuff. I don't have it yet.
I'm joining, guys.
Yeah.
Now I want to go to your house. I'm scared.
Just move around. And then you'll find my house.
Alex!
Abby, over here. Just go forward. Just tap on the doors and then you'll go inside.
Where's the door?
Right here. See?
I don't know how to play this now. I want to let down.
I'm trying to get some glass. Whoa. I need some dirt first. I need some...
I want a bed. I want it down.
I can't find any sheep anywhere, Abby. Oh. I'm stuck. Okay guys, this is the end of the video because I'm going to find out how to get up. Bye.